Welcome to Math 30-1. And the first thing I wanted to bring up is what to expect in this course, and hopefully you do successfully if you follow these steps. So first things first, I'm going to share the screen for you to have a better understanding of what to do here. And you will realize teacher-student introduction is where you would find where you have to introduce yourself to the class. And there's also a video of me. So here's the video where you have access to it by clicking this passcode right into here, and then you could actually watch an introduction video of me. But here's math talk, which you would need to do throughout the course because that is worth 5% of your mark. And do read the following instructions. And if you want to watch the video to understand how to post a video, by all means, please do. Once you're done that, you want to go under the course information, read the 11 pages that are available so you can actually answer the entry quiz successfully. Here's the entry quiz right here. So keep in mind, due dates and formula sheets are also found under the course information, but I put them there for quick links for you. If you need any special accommodations that you've done in the past for diplomas, please let me know right by filling out that document, special diploma exam combinations. A student information questionnaire is essential to do because then there's more information for you that will be given to me that will help me to understand who you are. Do fill out that too. Once you've done all of that, Unit 1 will open up transformations functions. In there, you will realize usually you will find your web lesson right off the back, and then you have your textbooks that are right there. So I'm just going to move it like that. So then there's your textbooks and then your actual web lesson. So when you click on a web lesson, you will realize what ends up happening is you're going to have a start lesson page at the first page. So go ahead and click on that. And then you have the 6 pages to go through. There's a little score right on the side, 0 to 66 currently. So what you're doing is finding this question mark and then a little arrowhead to answer throughout the course, these pages. So go to page 2, tells you what textbook page to read. Do take the time to do that. Look at the definitions to help you understand, tells you the outcomes. And then there's some prior knowledge to answer right off the back. To answer these, you want to just answer them on your piece of paper. And then when you're ready for the answer, just click on that and it will tell you what the answer would be. So it's like a hovering tool to self-check. These are review videos if you're stuck on any concepts on that. And here are some questions that you have to do to master that concept. These are prior review questions so far. Click on that, view the hint. So you want a positive answer. So I'm going to click a positive answer here. View the hint. If you obtain 144, so you did not follow BEDMAS, so I'm not going to click 144. I'm just going to guess the other ones here. And another one I'm guessing, and another one. Okay, check answers. It will tell you if you got it right or wrong, and it will give you some feedback. Not always, but most of the time it does give you the feedback. So you will realize that I got a score of 4 to 5. So now if I click outside of the screen, you will realize you got 4 out of 66 right now. Now the translations is talked about. So usually on every new page you go to, like if you go to page 3, there's usually prior knowledge questions that appear. So here are some prior knowledge questions again. And so forth. So your goal, once you've done all the questions that are found in each page, and once you click on this little finish button, click on the finish button, then you have access to redo the assignment if you like here, this web lesson that is. The beauty of that is you just click on close it once you press the finish button and click on this again, and then it will start from the beginning again, and then I will take the higher score. Other bits that you need to know, you have to finish the formative assessment to move on to the actual assignment, which is right here. The assignment's worth more in this course, so do take the time to do that. Math Talk is essential too because posting something there, it will be 5% of your mark. Make sure you always reply to another student. If you're the first one there, make sure you go back to later on that week maybe to reply to another student. So that all of these activities prior will help you have a better understanding of the assignment. Keep in mind for the assignment, I would encourage you to watch the video that's right here, and we'll talk about how to submit an assignment correctly and how you could use the FM tools like Wordis and so forth. You can also do your workings on Google Doc, and then you could open Equato. It is an actual product that's available free for you guys, Equato right here. And this is where the beauty is you can have max math text popped up in here. Let's say you wanted to do 3 divided by 2, and very straightforward. You could just put that slash sign on your keyboard and it actually does a fraction for you instantly. Let's say there was pi. There's pi. Okay, pi, and then there we go. And if you're in the trig identities, you might use the trig unit, the theta, and so forth. So insert away, insert math, and you will realize what happens at it inserts it right in there for you. Okay, there it is, and so forth. So you could do your workings like that. If you need to take screenshots of graphs in that, the beauty is just click on this and then graph something like y equals 4x. There it is right there. You want that diagram inserted, and it will allow you to insert it right off the back. Insert graph. So I will accept things like this if you wanted to do forward with that. If you want to do the old school, take writing everything down, take a photo of it by using an app called CADsetter, by all means, I'll accept any form like that. So in conclusion, with that in a nutshell, any question that's worth more than 1 mark, make sure you include workings, even multiple choice questions. So this is where the Google Doc would help you for that. Another thing you could also do is any question that's worth just 1 mark, just workings is plenty, just giving you a heads up on that. Another thing I wanted to bring up in the class is how to contact me. So you will realize on the right-hand corner, at the top of the page, you will always find my email, text phone number, my office phone, and these are the hours that I work. Now, if it's over the hours that I'm not here, and you do send me a message and I don't reply within 24 hours, please reply again and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, keep in mind, it has to be a school day that I'll reply back. If other forms of communication, if you want to do a video conference, you just click on here and then it'll go to a video conference page, which I encourage you to do if you can't come to the school. Message my teacher is also another tool you could use. Use the calendar to help you organize yourself. And also Remind is another great tool to remind you what's happening for the week. So just click on the join class and that'll be great. If there's any other questions, don't ever hesitate to let me know, but good luck for this course. Have a great day.